What's going on, Boosted Speed? I got a special video for y'all today. Got the car running in the background. It's kind of a cold start, it sounds good. Special video today. So I'm going to get my car dyno tuned. Last time I had some issues when I was on the dyno, but it dyno tuned around 350, 360 wheel horsepower, about the same in torque. I'm really excited about getting it dyno tuned again. Shout out to my tuner, Purple Drank Tuning. Man, I'm really excited about this. I'm hoping it'll put down about 400 wheel horsepower, which would be about a 40 or 50 wheel horsepower increase. I have to drive about an hour to get to the place that I do the dyno at. I think the results are probably a little under what they should be at, mainly because this dyno is like, I think it's like 15 years old, 10 years old, something. It's pretty old. He said it's still like you only need to be adjusted like once. Got about 33 miles to the gallon, and that was on some places that had some hills and stuff. So that was awesome. Just passing 3 cops right here. It's kind of funny. 3 cops are just chilling over there. Getting the car hooked up here with new dyno tune. Yeah, I got a new tuner, so I'm gonna see. The car feels a lot better. I don't know if it's any more powerful, but it should produce more power because of that. Pretty much, I mean, you do that as an exhaust leak because of the. Yeah, it should at least give another 20 wheels. Okay.
The torque was skipping out on us because it's like it was losing ignition signal.
Huh.
Because right where these were going on,
yeah,
the tack was just dropping out, like it was losing ignition.
Okay.
Still doing the same thing.
Really?
Yeah, right where all that's skipping out, you can see the tack just dropping. I wonder if like a crank position sensor or cam position sensor or something like that may be jacked up.
I don't know if it's something wrong with the tune or what. The car is having some issues with ignition or something, some timing issue. It only made 307, and then the torque was like 200, and you guys can see that's just not a good graph. So man, I don't know what the issue is. It was running fine on the road, even when I was sending it into my tuner. Man, I just don't know what's wrong with it. It sounded really good. I don't know why. It sounded really good. So hey, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and like this video. I appreciate it.